Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just thinking while the other video was loading, there could be another way. If you wanted to get your contour closer than the gap I did just in a previous video, because of the gaps between his legs or his fins or his feet or whatever you want to call them in his head and his body, you can't contour it just a small amount. Well, there is kind of a trick around that I thought I'd share with you. If you would just take your 2-point line and just draw a line from like the bottom of his head out to that wing or hand or leg, whatever you want to call it, and just do that everywhere. And what's so good about this, you don't have to, you can go past the lines. You need to make sure you're inside the line. And we'll zoom in here and do his back fins. And we'll just go, see, I'm going from way inside the box past the box. And what that's going to do is going to stop your lines from drawing. So let's zoom in here. Let's select it all. Actually, you want to go up a little bit. Let's select it all. Take your pick tool and select them all. And then hit boundary. Then your nudge factor is set on 15 inches. Let's move that boundary out of the way. That doesn't look half bad. Now you could go and delete these lines. You know, if our turtle was all together, I could do this just by moving them out of the way or moving him out of the way. But just real quick, we'll get rid of these lines. We don't need them anymore. That's why you want to zoom in. Just delete these lines. And if your turtle was grouped together, you wouldn't have to do that. Then this is your bounding box, and we'll put it back, and it's right on the wood, but we want it just off the wood. And before, in the previous video, we couldn't contour it any less than 0.05. Well, now let's go to Effects, Contour, and let's just do 0.01. And our hairline is in red, so I'm going to contour in black. Hit Apply. Go up to and break contour apart. Click on one of them you think you have, and you have the red one, which is what we don't want. So your other one is your contour line. And if you look down here, it is a hairline. We'll go ahead and turn it red and then put it right back. Now you have a little bit of a contour around your object, and it goes in here and cuts. And you could, if you were doing this for real, you know, instead of using a straight point line, you could have a curved line and made it look more like a little turtle. But if you really look at it, that doesn't look half bad. So if you add lines, what you're doing, you're basically just stopping the lines from, when you do the boundary box, from going inside. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.